Hello, good morning, students. I am Dharam Prakash, Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nevada, and I am your mathematics teacher. Welcome to e-learning program of Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nevada. So, students, today's topic is multiplication and division of decimal of chapter 9. So, students, today we will discuss exercise 30 and remaining questions of exercise 30. So, let's start. Question number 3. Question number 3. Divide. A. 617.313 divided by 15. Question is 617.313 divided by 15. So now we have solved this question. So divide 15 617.313. So students, read the table of 15. So 15 4 ja 60. 0 subtract from 1. So this is 1 and this is 0. Cancel. And put here this 7. Put here 15 1 ja 15. 15 1 ja 15 and 7 minus 5, this is 2 and this is cancel. This decimal point remove from this point and take this 3 here and 15 1 ja 15, 15 2 ja 30. So 30 is more than 23. So 15 1 ja 15. 5 is not subtracted from 3. So take 1 carry. This is 13. 13 minus 5. So this is 8 and this is. Now take 1 here. 15 5 ja 15 5 ja 75. So 5 is not subtract from 1 because 1 is less than 5. So take 1 carry. This is 11. 11 minus 5. This is 6 and this is cancel. And take this 3 here. 15 4 ja 60. This is 3 and this is cancel. And now here 0. Put here 0 and 52 ja 30. So this is cancel. So quotient equals to 41.15402 and this is your required answer. Okay, and next question. And question number C. 426.478 divided by 16. 426.478 divided by 16. So now divide 60 by 426.478. So 16 3 is 48, and 48 is greater than 42, and 48 not subtract from 42. So 16 2 is 32, and 2 subtract from 2 is 0, and 4 3 is subtracted from 4, and this is 1. So put here 6. 16 6 is 96, and this is 0, this is 1, and decimal is removed from here, this is 4, and again 16 6 is 96. 6 is not subtracted from 4, so take 1 carry, this is 14. 14 minus 6, 14 minus 6 is 8, and 9 subtract from 9, this is 8, and here is this 7, put here. 16 5 is 80, this is 7, please cancel. Again put here 8. 16 4 is 64, this is 4, and this is 1, have 0, and this is 0. Sixteen 8 is 128, and this is 2, this is 1, and this is cancel, and again put here 0, this is 0. So this is not completely divisible, so right here quotient equals to 26.65408, and remainder equals to 12. And again next question, question number G. 0.0042 divided by 125. So 125 divides 0.0042. So this decimal place is shifted here. This decimal 0 times 0 is cancel. Put here, this is 0, 0 times 0, here again 4, and 4 is not divisible by 125, so put here 0 and put down 2. 42 is not divisible by 125, so again put here 0, and here is 0. 3 times 5 3 is 15, 5 carry 1, 3 2 is 6 plus 1 7, and this is 3. Put 10 subtracted from 5, so this is 5. Yeah. Again 0, this is 0. Then 3 times 3 7 5 5 7 cancel, and again 0. So 6 times quotient equals to 0.00003036, your required answer. So friends, today your homework is exercise 30, question number 3. And if you have any problem, so please ask on my number. Thank you.